Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or remove unwanted extensions on Chrome. So let's say that you accidentally enable some extension on your Chrome and you don't want it on your Chrome and you want to remove that. You can follow my steps right here. First, of course, you need to open the Google Chrome. Then you can just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner and find extension, and then tap on this manage extensions. So in here, you'll see the list of extensions enabled on your Google Chrome. And to delete one of the extensions that you don't want, you can just find the one that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove this one. And you can just tap on remove in here. And Google Chrome will ask you again, will you remove the extensions, and you can just tap on remove if you are confirmed. So just like that, the extension will be removed and uninstalled from your Chrome. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.